Hello, tutor. I am class master. My name is Hector Samuel Amaya. Today we present you my hero profile, Poster Jersey Vector. Freeze it breed red tip Blackshore description Hector de la Cruz what that breaching territory just our ancient is Gaussian dreaming was a deputy near world worry surfing rash is motivation was to French occasions due to threat, prestigious or system corrupted executive sabotage is laptop projected profit caused massive explosion actors server is myopia while security is body welcome to win and equality and degree God voice is great in depth secret. Second G-power section it is named to definitely ECD, a wall control the water metal arm and reality is a flashy and now enamel is directly reflecting ability could duplicate churn power instantly. It is also the solid ability of the brilliant liberty and world free in spec and shock litany. Thirdly, their ability in action is the corruption existing send an army to how is your sister to die is bloody vector worry free authority is using is living power and how war soon a massive store of metal and how to defension there is scum. This is the end of my presentation. This video link is attached to the PDF. Videos the pursuit. Thank you very much for your attention and progress today.